Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you. So how to fix Snapchat memories not backing up. So first thing, just check your backup status. So just open back Snapchat. After, you just need to tap on the settings. After, you just need to find here memories. Please just open them. And after here, you just need to check backup progress. So if it's complete, if you see here complete, so it means that it's successfully saved. Also, you can check your internet connection, so just swipe here, just check your Wi-Fi, so just try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps, and after just try again. And the latest option you could also just try, to update your Snapchat, so just go to the search, in the search just write here Snapchat. And here you can also just tap on update. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye.